Your question is, women in Philippine politics are still a minority. And here in Miss Universe Philippines, we talk about women empowerment. How will you help empower women and encourage them to participate in politics?
Women today deserve a seat in a table. This time, babae naman. We are at par with men. We are trailblazers, we are leaders, and I think women are definitely a power, a force in the universe. Thank you. Thank you.
Yung itsura ni Shamsi. Okay, yung sagot niya, paano ko ba sasabihin to? Ang tanong kasi, paano mo i-encourage yung kababaihan na sumali din sa politics? Tapos dinescribe niya yung kakayahan lang ng mga babae. Oh, magaling yung mga kababaihan. Anyone can say that. Tayo, lahat tayong mga babae, we can all say that. Pero, paano mo nga sila i-encourage? Hindi lahat ng kababaihan ay aware kung ano yung capabilities natin at yung galing na meron tayo sa field, sa iba't ibang field. So, paano mo sila kukumbinsihin na sumali?